In this tutorial we are going to create shortcut key to write any text in the document. Here is an example in which we are going to write name of our university again and again in different documents, either as an student or an employee. So instead of typing, let's create a shortcut key. First, find the macro tool in the View menu of Microsoft Word and click Record Macro option. Now type the name of macro in this text box. We can write any name like here, California, to easily identify the macro in future. And click Keyboard button to create shortcut key. Now assign new shortcut key for your macro using your keyboard, but make sure that the shortcut key is not in use before. Here, you can see a recording icon near mouse cursor, which shows the recording of macro has been started. Now whatever you will type will be recorded in the macro. Start typing for which you are going to create macro on assigned shortcut key. After typing, click Stop Recording from Macro option. Now press the shortcut key you have assigned for your macro. In this case, we have assigned Ctrl+Shift+C. Every time you press the shortcut key, the recorded text will be typed. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the like, subscribe and bell icon.